Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Bentley BENTAYGA Speed. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. That looks spotless. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Everything here looks perfect. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb brush. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb brush. So the driver's side is spotless. Let's move on to the back of the car. The back looks fine. Do not see any scratches at all or any dents. Everything here looks fine in the back. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb brush. Now let's take a look at the passenger doors. The front and back door are in excellent condition. Now the last fender and wheel, and this fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all or no dents, and the wheel has no curb brush. So the exterior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on the door panel at all. The window switches look fine. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, that looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or no wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.